Weather's going to be just dandy for this.
It is. It is going to be fantastic for it. In fact, temperatures nice and pleasant, falling off probably into the 70s this evening by that time, and skies nice and clear, so no worries for any rain. Here's what's going on right now. It's beautiful out. Plenty of sunshine around, and get used to it because that's going to be the story for the next few days. The weekend looking great, too, so if you're headed to the State Fair, no issues for you there. Right now, we're at 75 degrees in the Duke City, so nice and warm out there. We will continue to see the drier air push in from the south and west as we go through the day, and that will dominate the weather as we go through the weekend. And it will be a bit breezy at times. We're already starting to see those winds pick up a little bit, especially across the northern part of the state. Down in the southeast, some lingering moisture there could fuel a few spot thunderstorms this afternoon. But even as we go through tomorrow, that moisture is going to be moving out, and that dry air is going to continue to push in. So everyone getting in on the dry air, and that's going to be ruling the forecast here as we head through the weekend. So lots of sunshine in store for us, but the one thing you do want to watch out for is perhaps the dangerous conditions for fires. There's a fire weather watch in effect for the metro area eastward up toward Las Vegas and Klein's Corners. That starts tomorrow morning, and that will continue through tomorrow evening with the windy conditions around and all that dry air in place. So certainly be thinking of that if you want to do any outdoor burning or anything of that nature. So your wind speeds right now, we are starting to see this pick up across the northern part of the state at 20 miles per hour, 18 miles per hour in Socorro, 21 in Ruidoso, and we'll continue to see those winds gusting up at times near 30 and even 40 miles per hour as we head through the rest of this afternoon. Here's a look at the numbers across the state, and it's really warming up, especially across the east where temperatures are in the upper 80s, knocking on 90 degrees down in Carlsbad, 89 there. And it is going to be a hot one across the east and southeast for the next few days. Up in the northwest, though, not too bad at all. Mostly sunny today with temperatures topping out in the low 70s in Durango, right around 80 for Farmington. Cool in the evenings. Tonight we'll see those lows down into the 30s and low 40s. Your 7-day forecast shows that nice weather continues right on through the weekend with plenty of sunshine around. Our rain chances don't move back in until next week. For the southwest, partly cloudy. May see an isolated shower here, but it's going to be a warm one with highs in the upper 80s and low 90s there. For the southeast, sun and clouds with a few spot thunderstorms possible. Really cranking up the heat here with highs in the middle and upper 90s, and it gets even hotter. For Roswell, take a look at Saturday, 98 the high, but overnight low's not bad. We'll be dipping down into the low to mid 50s. Up in the northeast, mostly sunny, breezy today with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Expect temperatures to top out in the middle and upper 80s there, and in the northern mountains, partly cloudy with breezy conditions as well. Expect highs mainly in the upper 70s, mid 80s down in the valley. Santa Fe, you're looking at a high of 82 today, then much nicer tomorrow with highs in the upper 70s, but again, chilly in the evenings down into the 40s and low 50s. For the east mountains, mostly sunny with highs in the low 80s there. Overnight lows down into the 40s there too, so chilly in the evenings there, and for the metro as well. We'll top out in the middle and upper 80s this afternoon, down into the low 50s tonight, and we will continue to see those overnight lows down into the low to mid 50s for the next few nights. And we haven't seen temperatures that low since the beginning of June, so it's going to be feeling more like fall, but again, the weather beautiful for the State Fair or any of those festivities are going on for the weekend.
Might need another blanket on that old bed. All right, Kristen, thank you.